All right, everybody, welcome back. It's time to get another buzz with your cuz. We have a limited edition beer today. Pretty excited about it. We hinted on it way back in the summer when we tried Summer Solstice, or the Solstice Lager. And we also mentioned that if you didn't like light beers, they also had a Midnight Lager coming out. So this is a holiday edition, started last year. Why is it unique? Well, first, it's limited. Second, in the 600 plus years that Stella's been brewing, they've done mostly Pilsners. And they do a very good job with the Pilsner, I'll tell you. Pilsner, by the way, you're going to hear me say this a lot, that's your next biggest beer trend. So get familiar with them, start drinking, and this way when everybody else comes along, you look like you know what you're doing. So, Midnight Lager. Stella Artois. I'm not going to do a lot of information about the company. We've done that before. But opening it up, I mean, this packaging is stunning. 5.4% alcohol. And again, this is a lager. So let's check it out. Oh, it's got a very unique smell to it. Very dark. Which I guess you could get when it says premium dark lager. You're getting what they told you were going to get. Nice creamy head on there. This is going to taste like chocolate. But that is dark. Look at that. It almost looks like an espresso. Nice chocolate bitterness to it, like you would get from real cocoa. That's what this reminds me of. Not very heavy. It's certainly not sweet, but again, it has that rich, deep, like that Belgian chocolate finish on this beer, which I would not drink this all the time because this is not really my style of beer that I prefer, but it's good. I mean, I'm going to drink this. We got, what, 11 more, I think. So these are not going to go to waste. I know that much. Yeah, it's a little bit more, hoppy than your normal lager, which it tends to be a little bit more balanced. But this, the bitter of the chocolate and the hops go together great. This is a nice offering. I'm glad that they made something for the holiday season, in addition to their regular Pilsner, which of course was, one of the original Christmas beers. So Stella Artois, Belgium, over 600 years of experience, came out with a limited edition Midnight Lager. If you see it, pick it up and try it. If you live near a place where they'll let you buy one, give it a try. I won't mention the other brand, but there are some other beers coming out that are leaning heavily with chocolate for some reason this year. Some of them aren't that good. This is probably one of the better ones that aren't labeled, chocolate porter or stout. Make sure before you try this, you're of legal drinking age and you're according to your local regulations. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel before you eat or drink anything. And ring the bell if you don't want to miss the next one. So hope everything's going well for you. We got a pumpkin pie here I made. I'm going to eat that. I'm going to enjoy it with a little bit of Midnight Lager here by Stella. And tune in next week. We're going to have something new and maybe even more exciting in